has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeast Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be Kalmar around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include LaGrange. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.